crafters, this is Jerry with Crafty Stash, and just wanted to show you a product that I had purchased just the other day on HSN. I had seen it during one of their craft days, but it lowered in price and I got a discount, and so yay. I went ahead and purchased it, and you'll see some other videos coming up from the same product line. This is from Craft Factory Creations. Now, I can't find a website for it, and I don't know if they exclusively sell through HSN, but cute products. So in this one, this is the Stillwater design, and it came with sentiments. It came with some decoupage pop-ups. It came with 45 vellum flowers, and it came with some washi tape and a lot of ephemera, 2 of each design and tons of them. And it also came with a vellum sentiment. So what I did, as you know, as I always say, I'm a copier. So what I do is I go onto the HSN. They do have a YouTube for products. So I just search out whatever product line it might be. So in this case, Craft Factory. And then I went to the Stillwater presentation. And they always show, as Crafter's Companion will, Anna Griffin will, anybody who's selling product will show you already done projects. So I go through the presentation. It might be 5-10 minutes long, and they always run through some of the items that their designers have created. So I recreate them, and that's what I did in this case. So I just took I just go through and I stop it and I look at it and I copy it. So that's what I did in this case. So cute. In this one I used another product, and I will be showing you that. It came along with this, but these were the embellishments, and I will show you the papers, the designer papers, 40 sheets. 6 of them are foiled. So I did this one. Now these are just the tops, and I will put them on bases, but they're A2 card. The only thing I didn't like about this, and I don't typically like at all, are vellum ephemera. And so what I did to make them stand out more, because they tend to just kind of blend in and you don't really see them unless you put them, I'll show you some of them, I put on darker paper, is to layer them. And that way it gives them some texture, some structure. And I just use a couple of different papers. These are the ephemera. I just pop them up. And another one that I just used several different papers, the ephemera for. And this one as well. This is 1, 2, 3. I've been doing a lot of the tearing of paper lately, and like on this one, this is the vellum items that come like this. And they're hard to show up as well, unless you have either plain white or a darker color, so they'll show up. So in this case, I just took a blue, and I tore around the edges and that, just to make it a little bit more. And the butterflies pop up. And then this one, I used a lot of the vellum flowers for this as well, and the washi tape on top of that. So this is that, and let me just quickly show you the papers. Whoops, I stick all my extra ones in here too, so I have them. show you some other things that I did with my leftover papers, but some of them foiled. I like the watercolor on these. And a repeat, because some of them I've already used, so you wouldn't have seen those. And there you go. So that's the Craft Factories Creations Stillwater line. All right, so I hope you're out there. I hope you're crafting and doing some things, and I will see you soon. Go craft, and bye.